Welcome back. Okay, the soup has been boiling for a good 15 minutes. I'm not minding that mine is reducing because my bone broth was not salted, so I don't mind the flavors intensifying. So it is nicely thickening up. During the commercial break, I added a 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed meal, and that cooked for another 5 minutes, which allowed it to thicken even a little bit more. I also added a few tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast, whether you're a vegan or not, get it and make stuff with it. It is the best stuff ever as far as flavoring. I use it for it's called a golden, what's it called? It is a golden something salad dressing. It's on our website as well. It's my favorite salad dressing. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in front here. Be wary that it's boiling hot and bubbling as you go ahead and get your mixer and begin the process of pureeing. So go ahead and puree as much or as little as you want. Or you know what, if you don't want to puree it, the way it is right now is totally fine as well with the nice thinly sliced mushrooms. I'm gonna go ahead and puree mine up. If you wanted to use a blender, just be extra careful that it is very, very hot and it will spit back on you. Okay, that is about the consistency that I wanted. So we'll go ahead and remove the mixer out of the way. And I am going to top my soup with a couple of things. I'm going to take some beautiful cilantro and put it on top. If you want, you could have some dill, you could have parsley, you can put whatever you want on top. I just like a little bit of green for color. I'm also going to put some cheese on top. Normally I would use goat's cheese. Today I was in the supermarket and I saw this beautiful cheese from a local vegan company. It's a vegan cheese and it's made from organic tofu and organic coconut oil and apple cider vinegar and other spices. And so we'll see how that tastes on top of the soup. That actually tastes really good. I'm impressed. And anyone who knows me knows that I'm a lover of bread, but I don't eat a lot of it. But if you see the bread that I got here, it has figs in it and some garlic in it, so I couldn't resist in getting some of this as well. It's pureed nicely. Another way to thicken a soup is if you use cauliflower. It's a nice trick also to make a nice thick soup. The flaxseed is giving you a nice dose of omegas. It's great roughage and it blends in quite nicely and thickens your soup perfectly. I have a lot of hungry people standing behind the camera looking, wondering if they get some free taste testers after this. Okay. Just a little bit of some greenery on top. Cheese as well. It smells so good. And here you have a very healthy, very nutritious, and very delicious soup that I know your whole family is going to love. For the recipe, go online to our website for all the information on how to make this soup and other soups. I'm gonna dig in. See you next time.